How to fix Google Play payment decline error. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to check your payment method. Launch Play Store on your device. Now tap on the profile at top right corner of the screen and access payment and subscription option. Once you get access to this page, select payment methods. Now you have to add a new payment method by entering your debit or credit card details or choose a different method as well. If this is not the correct solution for you, you can simply clear the cache and force stop your Play Stores from your settings. So simply launch Settings app. Now scroll down, head towards Apps. Now select App Management from top. Tap on the search bar at top of the screen and simply type in Google Play Store. Open the App Info section. Now simply you have to tap on Storage Uses and tap Clear Cache. Go ahead and select Force Stop and tap Force Stop. Once you have done that, you need to simply try your purchase on Google Play again. So these steps should help resolve the issue. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments if you have any questions or feedback. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time for more tutorials.